Hello guys, this is my presentation regarding Autopsy, a digital forensic tool. So these are some advanced features of Autopsy. You can pause the video and take a look. Alright, so let's get started. Clicking this icon over here. It will start. Alright, so for this we can create many cases, like any individual or multi-user can work on the case. Okay, so here are the case information. USB drive as I and click on next. Oh, okay. Now give me a USB. Okay, so next, and you can assign case numbers to it, or you can also give your examiner name, phone number, email, and notes about that particular case. So here we go. So it will create a database for that case. Okay, so we have this add data source, images, videos, communication in this all types. So click on this add data source. Okay, so we have a bunch of options over here: a local disk, logical files, disk images, VM file, etc. So I've selected this data source as USB, so local disk, and it's giving me a error. Okay, let me plug my USB. Okay, so there you go. You can find USB from here. If you can, okay, you can get that USB directly there. Okay, so I have created a disk image of that USB, so I will use this option. Okay, so next, so these are a bunch of models that can be used to particularly search any keyword or something, like file extension, emails, etc. And it works according to your need. I mean, I like to say, like, you can add some text file into it, like grab certain types of keywords and all, and that's it. Uh, you also add the signature and all. So this photo recovery, you can recover photos, lost photos. Virtual machine extractor, you can extract the virtual machine which this source has been using. Then Android analyzer, any device which can be used to analyze, okay, by using this software. This is a very useful software regarding and data forensic. So the process is starting right now. Okay, so we have finished this. Okay, so it will start now analyzing all files. Okay, so it will analyze. So these are the particular file location which is present at that point on the disk. Okay, so and okay, this is left side. We have data sources and all the trees you can access, like email messages and all, accounts, hash hits, etc. And then deleted files, file types, everything. Okay, so it will load now. This tool is very useful regarding getting informative data, like for example, like if a user is image, this can get that image, and this can get all the info about that particular image, and like what type of device it has been put on, played or viewed, what type of browser history that the user has, what IP addresses and all accounts, like if the user even having a pen drive and it's connected to their PCs, and they are using like a net browsing, net banking and all, then it might be that this software might grab their credentials maybe, and can store their cache files. And this Autopsy tool is an important tool for that. Okay, so here we go. So it's been 100%, and okay, the all files have been extracted, images, videos. You can see the all files are categorized by audio archives, databases, documents, executables, and images. Okay, so here are some images, and these ones are from deleted. Yeah, it recovered those also. So alright, so next we have videos. You can get all the videos without actually being access that data or that drive. You can also extract all of this data according to your need, anywhere, any point of location. So here we go, documents, HTML, this. Okay, so let's go ahead. So here are some deleted files that user have been deleted stored by this software. So this gives overall file history of all that has been deleted and what has been occupied by that devices, like what storage, at how many storage, collection of what storage. Then we have this keywords here, email addresses. We can get all the email addresses that have been recorded by this software. Then we have all the IP addresses that have been recorded by this software alone. This is the best software to gather information that can help us to plant an attack or something to plan our strategy. Information about that source. So these are all the history, web history that has been accessed by the user. Then yeah, on account section, this credit card info have been collected by this. As you can see, this it is credit card type, account, ID, keyword, card number. That's it. This is just for explanation. These are the fake ones, but this doesn't mean that it really doesn't grab or anything, but it does. It does grab all the accounts in real time. Okay, so here you go, and while collecting on data source, we have this. We can we can pretty much see all the properties of that particular file. That access time, modified, created, size, flags, then their hashes, the extensions. Yeah. So by this we can get all the images that are on that drive. Okay, all the without even accessing those like real time. images. Okay, so we can get those images, we can view them, we can extract them. That's it. So this timeline feature is very good. At what time the user have been creating files or anything at any drive, we can get that information on here. Like see the counts. It has June date. It also has a detailed view. Like this has the files, the exact files created at that time. Okay, so that's it. For list, it's a normal list, files, a bunch of files. Okay, so that's it. Now moving on to generate report. So guys, you can generate any type of report. For example, the files, the plain text you can develop here, like overall history of that case. What have you been found? Okay, so what keywords that hits? All the reports can be generated by this. Okay, so you can just select any option regarding the report, HTML, Excel, plain text. That's it. So I will be selecting HTML report. It is easier to send, That's why. So all results finish. So it will create. Okay, so here's a link of that report and close. Okay, so it will open now. Okay, so here's a brief a report that have been created by this software, Autopsy. So this is the software information about what versions of the each modules have been selected. Okay, so that's it, and you have this data source, title, and all the modules that have been used at that case. So this will give the all accounts that has been hit by that software, and detailed view to provide any of the supervisor or your colleague. That's all. And this keyword hits, it has this email addresses hit, IP addresses, phone numbers, URLs, which is a good reason to get this software on daily basis to get any information gathering setup of your maybe setup to work on. So the IP addresses, URLs, then phone numbers, and that's it. So this is all about Autopsy, the information gathering tool, and this is the best software to get analyze or data about this. Okay, so thank you.